Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about fat loss, you've heard about l-carnitine. It is the supplement that promises to take those stored fatty acids and burn them for fuel. Today we're looking at a huge name in the game, Cutler Nutrition Liquid Carnitine 3000. It promises 3,000 milligrams of pure fat-burning action in one sweet shot. The big question, though, are these dramatic claims backed by real science and results? Or is this just expensive, sugary water? Let's find out if this is fuel or hype. Cutler Nutrition sells this product primarily on two things, dosage and absorption. When we talk about the dose, at 3,000 milligrams or 3 grams per serving, it is a high dose that should be plenty to saturate your muscle stores, which is where L-carnitine does its work. They claim the liquid format provides superior, faster absorption compared to traditional pills or powders, getting the L-carnitine into your bloodstream quickly so you can start burning fat faster. It comes in various flavors like sour gummy and rainbow candy, making it a pleasant way to take a pre-workout supplement, no more mixing chalky powder. This sounds like the perfect fat loss tool for anyone looking to get lean, but now we have to look at the cold hard science. L-carnitine's job is critical. It acts like a taxi, taking fatty acids from your cells and delivering them into your mitochondria, which are your cells' powerhouses, to be burned for energy. It is necessary for fat burning to occur. However, here is the crucial fact that most supplement companies do not tell you. L-carnitine needs an escort to get into the muscle cell. That escort is insulin. Studies show that to maximize the transport of L-carnitine into your muscles, you need an insulin spike. This means taking L-carnitine alone, particularly on an empty stomach or before a fasted workout, dramatically reduces its effectiveness. You need to consume it with a small amount of carbohydrates to truly maximize its potential. So while the 3,000 milligrams dose is real and the liquid form does absorb quickly, if you're taking it for fasted cardio, you are likely wasting a large portion of that 3,000 milligram dose. Let's address the other half of the question. Just flavor water? The liquid form is absolutely convenient, and the flavors are generally good. They have to be to mask the slightly acidic taste of L-carnitine. But to make them taste like sour gummy, they are often loaded with artificial flavors, colors, and sweeteners like sucralose or artificial food dyes. If your goal is absolute purity and clean ingredients for fat loss, the powder form is still key. With the liquid, you are paying a huge premium for the flavor and convenience. Comparing the cost per effective dose 3 grams to a high-quality bulk powder, the liquid can be 2 or 3 times more expensive. You are essentially paying extra for the fast-absorbing, pre-mixed, and sweet-tasting convenience. So, is the Cutler Nutrition Liquid Carnitine 3000 fuel or hype? I'd call it effective but expensive hype. The product is legitimate, the dose is effective, and the science behind L-carnitine is sound. But the hype ignores two major trade-offs. It needs carbs to work optimally, making the fasted cardio approach less effective. You pay a huge premium for the convenience and taste compared to basic powder. Who should buy this? If you have money to spare and want the absolute most convenient, best tasting way to get your carnitine dose, go for it. Who should skip this? If you're budget conscious and are willing to mix a scoop of powder into a protein shake or a small piece of fruit, save your money and buy the bulk powder. Don't let the convenience cloud your judgment. It is a great product, but know what you are paying for.